Is it really? Guys, this is so, like, I feel like I'm starting over again. You know what I mean? Like, when you take some time off and then you come back, it just feels like a brand new start. But guys, I am so excited to be back in here. Oh, rewind. Hey guys, it's Dion. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell your mama. We are back with another video. It's lit. Like, I am so excited. I took some time back with everything going on, with all the police brutality, with all the lives of Black people just being taken away, and all the injustices that is going on in the world. I just needed to step back from everything. I felt like it didn't make sense personally for me to be putting out videos. I know that some people still were, which is amazing. Like, I respect your grind, but personally I just needed to take time back. I needed to focus solely on the Black Lives Matter movement. I needed to focus solely on what was going on. I needed to focus on how I can help, what I can do, and that was just my main focus. Not that it stopped being my main focus, but this is something that I'm doing for me, and I am so happy to be back up here. Hopefully you guys are happy to see me back up here. In the description, I'm going to be putting different links of petitions that you can sign, donations that you can make, different organizations that you should follow, that you should keep up to. There's so much knowledge, and it's very important that you know where your money's going, the petitions that you are signing. So just pay close attention to all of that, and hopefully the links in my description can help you out with that.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Alright, yeah, so we're about to skate. Today's a beach day. I am like so excited. Like, I can't believe that I am vlogging a beach day. So tell me why the day that we decide to go to the beach is foggy. Like, it is so foggy out, and when I looked at the weather, it said it was gonna be hot. Well, it said it was gonna be sunny. Like, I'm confused. So I'm really hoping that the sun comes out, because if it doesn't come out, then I mean, it's still hot, but the whole point is to see the sun, to be in the sun. Every time when I go to the gym in the morning, the sun knows how to come out and beam and freaking burn my neck. So I hope it does the same today, okay? All right, so I'm pulling up to get Jada her house. Like, literally, I always low-key get lost, but then low-key find my way when I'm driving to her. So that's super funny to think about. See what I mean? Like, okay, what side do I choose though? I think it's this side. Every time, I swear, every time someone comes in my car, I have a mess. Trying to clean it up. Oh my god. Look at her. So my boogie board broke and Jada brought some. I love her. Ew. Ew, that's gross. I couldn't put gas and that's what I find. That's so rude. I was also gonna film for you guys how I had to put air in my tires, but I can't be in a bus.
Man, you gotta find the best thing. July 1st.
Oh, I get it. And then what cheese? American?
American?
Yeah.
Yeah. I need July 29. I need that.
So, we're at Stop and Shop.
I need a new one of these anyway.
Huh?
It's a good one.
What is that?
Honey mustard.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were recording.
No, I was about to. Honey mustard. We are in Rhode Island. I got some of those already. Some pineapple.
Did you bring water?
Oh. Oy. I'm like a mom. Look. I'm dead. So we have hummus. Here, you can put that in there. Well, you can put it after, of course. And then some guac. She's This cheese about to melt out here. Look at this amazing service. Wow, good work. Oh, I could put these in here. She said that she's walking to the beach, so I'm just gonna leave her since she got upset. So she's walking. I'm driving. She's walking.
It's arm day. You feel me? It's arm day like day.
She's the walk is great. Yo, Jada's working overtime right now. How does it feel to be the man in this relationship?
Not good at all.
I'm dead. Look at, I just gotta have this. I don't really have much. I have this. Right there is Taylor Swift's beach house, okay? So we got invited. That's our security over there. Feel me? This is heavy. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're gonna be diesel when we leave here. That's a plus. It's like a forest. This is big. Oh. Dangerous currents. Camp. That's cute. It kind of matches. Cause like yellow. I'm hungry. You know you're a mom when
Where did you get that?
Amazon. So it's
Those are good.
foggy. Nope. Oh, no. Finally, the sun is out. As you can see, kind of. Now it's time to like get in the water and stuff like that. You're in it now. It's hot, but my skin looks better now because before it was looking kind of dusty. Because this, like the sun is out, you know how your skin looks better. Coming to you live from Puerto Rico. We're in Puerto Rico. So that is Taylor Swift's beach house. Like that is legit her beach house. There's always security everywhere. You know, me and Jada might get invited one day. We might get invited. Not that I want to go, but we might. The sun feels fire now. And the water feels really good too. We're glowing.
We are.
Yep, so you heard it here first, folks. Taylor Swift's beach house in Puerto Rico. What is your favorite beach snack?
Snack? A turkey sandwich.
That is not a snack, but say we always have turkey sandwiches when we come to the beach. But my favorite beach snack is like chips. We usually do cookies too, but we are on our grind. Like we did not get cookies, although we almost did.
We almost did.
But yeah, chips and cookies. We have sun chips today. Usually, sometimes like Doritos.
I've had chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Delicious.
Damn, we should have got the wings. It would have been hot still because of the sun.
Wow, this is like Subway. Woo!
She is slicing it up. Oh my God. This is bougie. Yo, these seagulls be crazy. Look, they got Jada all scared. Cause the seagulls be eating people's food. Here he come. Oh, hell no. Seagulls violating. These seagulls are violating. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The seagulls are way too close.
They be squatted up. Where is these? These birds be squatted
They don't come
up.
alone.
No, they really don't.
Yeah, this water is.
I know. That's what I was just saying in the video.
We are in Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. Legit, this water is so clear. I can't. That's why we come out here. We're staying at Taylor Swift's beach house with a lot of fruit smoothies, free food. Is it high tide?
It kind of looks like it.
Wait, what's the definition of high tide?
The water is high.
Oh, high tide.
I didn't see a sign though. All I said was careful.
Uh-oh, they're here for Jada. Jada.
Shoot. Black Lives Matter.
That's right. I'm trying to catch a wave. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Facts. Look at that wave coming. Catch it. Whoa. We're catching waves.
I'm about to lose my board.
My boogie. My boogie. My A boogie. Whee! The surfer.
I'm a mermaid.
H2O, black girl edition.
Like my long mermaid hair.
I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing.
I think to myself, what a wonderful world.